Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essentials, so do this now. Make sure your phone has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection and that you have your email, phone number, and ID photo ready. Open the official SSO app or the verified government portal in your browser. Once opened, grant only the required permissions like camera for ID capture. You do this to speed the verification step and to avoid interruptions when you start filling forms and uploading documents. Continue by entering your personal details exactly as they appear on your ID, because mismatches cause rejections, so double-check spelling and date of birth. Next, pick a strong password and immediately enable two-factor authentication. Use SMS OTP or an authenticator app for better security. Then scan or upload the required ID photo, follow prompts to crop and submit, and complete the OTP or biometric step. Once the system to finish, copy or note your SSO ID, sign in once to confirm access, and link any apps or services you plan to use. This ensures single sign-on works across services. Next, set recovery options, add a backup email, recovery phone, and security questions so you can regain access if needed. If something goes wrong, here's one key troubleshooting tip. Retry the verification with a clearer, well-lit ID photo and request a fresh OTP immediately, because expired codes and blurry images are the most common failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.